we are here to announce that we are switching to basic engine because it is way better. Anyways, let's go to Turbo Warp. Okay. Paste this link. Wait, what FPS is this supposed to run on? What is this? Does it say organized? Not really optimized. I mean, kind of optimized compared to like Meek. Meek is just all over the place. All right, let's press 7, and it just fucking codename engine. Keaton. What should I go to first? Chart editor, stage editor, character editor, or songs editor? Just say some.
Song editor.
Song version? Holy shit, my lag. What's this? Wait, pause this. Okay, stop the volume, please. Oh my gosh. There's no thing. Alright, give me a minute. Back! So, we successfully added a song that took way longer than it should have. What should we do next? Chart editor, character editor, stage editor. I'm a low-key test out the character editor and see it yet. Yo, what the hell? Wait. File? Import? Yes. Okay, it's like the first thing. I'm dumb. Hold on. Alright, and now we are just going to, the recording's gonna go really fast because we're editing characters and it's really boring. Alright, let us cook. Okay, and now that we are done, we could test the idle, right, Keaton? Right, Keaton? Okay, 7. Character editor. File. Import. Actually, no, not import. I'm dumb. Hold on. Change. Character not found. How do you mean character not found? Oh, there's probably a list of like characters. Oh shit. Is there a list of characters? Yes, there is. If the creator of this engine is watching, he's probably like, it's right there in front of you. Okay. What the hell? How do I do this? Character costumes. Alright. Is there help? Yes, please help. There's a help button. And it doesn't function. Right when I need a help button, it doesn't function. It doesn't. Alright, it's fine. I could just edit the dad sprites. Okay, we're gonna speed it up again because this is really boring. Poop twist. Poop twist. Let's test it, guys. Let's finally test it. Let's test in character editor. Does it show up? Yo, what is man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not. Wait, how do I change animation? Next. Why does it go back to TIS? What is there like one frame?